So we're just going to go and do a couple. Moving off here, as you can see, I've got a junction up ahead of me. Okay, I'm going to turn right, so checking my mirrors, giving a signal. Now if I literally stayed on the left hand side of the road here to turn right, as much as the road isn't wide enough, I am sort of blocking the road for everybody, and I'm not making it, you know, very comfortable for anyone. So again, my position is poor currently, but I'm going to turn into the road. I mean, as it stands, there was nobody there to affect, but it's that sort of poor presentation in the road sort of thing. I need to be putting myself in a position that is going to be suitable for everybody. Sort of central and near what would be the centre line if there was one here. Turn into the road. Now this time I'm going to turn right again at the end of this road. But if I arrive at the end of this road, I should be roughly here in the road. But if I arrive at the junction and I move over to here, I'm really in a terrible place. Yeah, I'm 3 foot away from the white line in the middle of the road, 3 foot away from the curb outside. I'm sort of sat middle of the junction. That's not really making my intentions clear, even though my indicator's on. My body language in my car is telling people something different, that I'm not really going right. Okay, so again, nobody's coming. I am going to pull out into the junction, carry on ahead. So I'm just going to wait for them. And this next one will be a perfect example, because we've got a crossroads. Turning right, I should be near this white line. If I'm going ahead, I should be in the middle. If I'm turning left, I should be over to the left. So I'm going right, I'm near the white line. Okay, it's nice and clear. I'm turning in. So along this road we do have a slip road to a junction, turning right without inconveniencing the vehicle behind me too much. I'm going to try and do the first one incorrectly, and this is where an examiner would fail you if you haven't got into your lane in an adequate position. So the idea of these slip roads is that you get into your slip road so that the vehicles behind you can come down the inside of you. That's the whole purpose of them being there, to allow traffic to keep flowing. So you can see up ahead there is the slip road in the middle of the road. We're turning right. Now this is what people tend to do. Instead of getting into their lane correctly, they put the indicator on and they sort of partly get into it, but they're not fully into it. And then what happens is the vehicle behind me has now been inconvenienced and had to stop, whereas they should have been able to come down the inside of me. Okay, so perfect opportunity there. I haven't inconvenienced her too much. It wasn't dangerous, but by all accounts I've inconvenienced another road user. So I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to show you how it should be done so that you don't end up inconveniencing anybody. Okay, so we're coming up to that exact same junction again. This time we're going to show you how you should position yourself in the road. Okay, so again you can see the little slip road. Checking my mirrors, giving an indication, moving myself fully into this slip road, so I'm not crossing the right line, but I am now fully in that zone. And if a car comes up behind me, you'll find that they'll be able to come down the inside of me. I'm hoping that the learner coming up behind me is staying in the left-hand lane, which he is. As you can see, they can clearly get past me. I'm not causing them to slow down or stop. Okay, so positioning when turning right, quite important.